Creating designs on Canva can be time consuming and a bit stressful. That's why I came with the best Canva tips and tricks to save you a lot of time and also boost your productivity. Welcome to TechXplorer YouTube channel where we release online tutorials Canva like a pro. This tutorial will guide you through step by step. So there is a bonus. We're not just going to cover the Canva tips and tricks. We're also revealing how you can use Canva Pro for free. So stick around to the end of the video so you won't miss out on it. Okay, let's get started. Our first trick is using Canva photo color. So head over to the website canva.com, then select the size for your design and put the custom size. Select this. To activate this feature, you will need to have a photo on your design. So let's pick a photo from the library. So go to elements. Okay, now let's choose any photo we want. Okay, I'll go with this. Now with Canva photo color, pick colors of your photo to improve your branding. So to do that, let's add a text. Alright. Now head over to the color icon. Now you see the photo colors here. Now you can select colors that are included in the photo. I can go with this or this, and the text will match our photo. Let's see it. As it is how to use Canva color to improve your branding and also save a lot of time finding colors that will match your photo. Okay, moving on to the next one. Canva automatic background remover. Okay, now this particular effect is only available to pro users, but I'll show you an alternative to use it for free. Okay, let's go back and choose the same photo here. Then click on edit photo and head over to the background remover. Then give it up to 2 minutes. Now as you can see, our background is automatically removed. Now you can add this to your design. Now the alternative, you're going to head over to the website called move.bg. Now this is an automatic online background remover that only works for images. So once you head over to the website, you see a dialog like this. Just click on upload image, select this image, click open, then wait for it to process it. Now as you can see, our background is automatically removed. This is the original, this is the removed background. This is another alternative for you to use it for free without having to use Canva's automatic background remover. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and also comment on tips and tricks you know. I would love to hear from you. So the next one, text effect. Okay, I'm just going to be adding text. Click on effect here. Now it will bring out a dialog where you can show up to 9 effects that Canva has within their platform. You select any effect. You can also customize how the effect looks. Most Canva users when they are choosing when they want to set it. But you don't need to do this by resizing it. When you can only do it in one click. So I'll be showing you how to do it. Just select any background of your choice. Go with this. Now head over to the empty Canva page and right click on that particular image, and automatically it will resize the image to fit your background. Is how to group elements with the shift key on Windows. Okay, so I'm going to have up to 2 elements here. Just click on shift key on your Windows, then select the first image and the other elements you want to group. When you are done, just move on from the shift key. You will see it pop up like this, asking you whether you want to group the elements or you want to delete them all together. So I'll click on I can resize them together. This saves me a lot of time them individually. Don't say if you want to ungroup, just click on the group element and select ungroup. Or you can do it manually by clicking it and select ungroup. Alright, so I'll just try that for up to 3 elements here. If you have stayed with me this time, you will know that I said earlier that we are going to be sharing the bonus tip on how to use Canva for free. I have the link in the box down below. So once you click it, you'll be able to join my Canva team here, where you can use Canva post designs for free. The link will be in the description box below, and also the link for the video where I still do step by step how to do it for free will also be in the box down below. So go and check it out. Now that you've gotten these amazing Canva tips and tricks, time for you to put it into action.